Sit comfortably and easily. Hands in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Spine straight. Neck in line with the spine. सिर, गला और पीठ तीनों एक ही लाइन में रहेंगे. Inhale deeply and exhale. Again, take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. With this breath, let us chant Omkara 3 times. Om. Join your palms together. Let us chant opening prayer. Om Sehna Bhavatu. Sehnau Bhunaktu. सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. वंदे गुरुणां चरणारविंदे संदर्शित स्वात्म सुखावबोधे निश्रेयसे जागतिकायमाने संसार हालाहलमोहशान्त्यै आवाहो पुरुषाकारम् शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणम् सहस्रशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम्. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Slowly double palms. Repeat. Up your eyes into the gaps of the fingers. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Again, good morning. Let us start with Kapalabhati Pranayama. Inhale. Inhalation will be passive, exhalation will be active. So you have to just keep on focusing on exhalation. जितना एक्सेल हो सकते उतना करना है. पूरे फोर्स के साथ नाक से एक्सेल करेंगे, पेट अपने आप अंदर जाएगा. One, two. Fast. One, two. One, two. Slow. एक लंबी सांस लेंगे। टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ इन। टक द चिन टू द चेस्ट, चिन को चेस्ट में सटाएंगे और ब्रेथ को होल्ड करेंगे जितना हो सके। लॉक को खोले के, चिन लॉक को, एंड एक्सेल। नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रेथ। बी रेडी फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ कपालभाति प्राणायाम। इनहेल, exhale. With this inhalation, start. One, two, one, two. अगेन एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेंगे। होल्ड द ब्रेथ, लॉक द चिन टू द चेस्ट, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट योर मूलाधार चक्र, मूल बंद, and चिरंतन। Release the lock. Exhale and normalize your breath. Again, inhale. Exhale. Start Kapalbhati Pranayama. No. Inhale. Cut your chin to the chest. Make the bandhas. Hold the breath for as long as you can. Release the lock. Exhale. Feel the calmness in your mind, lightness in your mind and body. Feel the surge of energy after Kapalbhati. Start Nadi Shuddhan Pranayama. Curl your index finger and middle finger. With the help of thumb and ring finger, you have to close the nostrils. First, close the right nostril and exhale from the left. Then inhale from the left nostril for 4 counts. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close both the nostrils. Hold the breath for 8 counts. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Close the left nostril, exhale from the right for 8 counts. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale from the right for 4 counts. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold the breath for 8 counts. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Close the right nostril, exhale from the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale from the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close the nostril, hold for 8 counts. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Exhale from the right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale from the right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold the breath. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Exhale from the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Now we will inhale with a sound, hold with oo, and exhale with magara. I will just say you chant mentally. Inhale from the left. Close the nostril. Hold the breath. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Close the nostril. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the right. Close the nostrils. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Close the nostrils. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Close the nostrils. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Close the nostrils. Exhale from the left. Release your hand. Feel the sensations in your body and mind. Organize your breath. Om. Ready? Rub your palms. Bend your feet. Cup your eyes. Looking through the gaps of the fingers, open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Now we'll do some joint rotations, easy joint rotations. Stand up on the mat. Stand up. Inhale, take your neck out. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, roll your neck up. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, ear to the shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, left ear to the left shoulder. Inhale, center. Right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale. Tuck your chin to the chest. Start rotating your neck. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Anti-clockwise. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Relax. Now we will do Kapol Shakti Vikasa Kriya. Just touch the tip of the fingers. Keep your thumb near your nose and sip with your mouth. Puff your cheek and hold the breath, tuck the chin to the chest, close your nose. Puff your cheek. as long as you can. And release your hand, exhale with your nose. Again, touch the tip of the fingers. Make a crow-like beak and sip the breath. Your cheek. Hold the breath as long as you can. Turn chin to the chest. Slowly come up. Exhale with the nose. Release your hand. Inhale. Exhale. Now put your hand in Shanmukhi Mudra. Index finger on the eyes. Middle finger near the nose. Ring finger on the upper lip. Little finger on the lower lip. Close the ears with the triangles. Take a long deep breath from the mouth. Puff your cheek and hold the breath. Release the other fingers except the thumb and exhale slowly with the nose. Again, close your eyes, your little finger on your nose. Which hands in Shanmukhi Mudra, all the fingers, ring finger and little finger on the lips. Take a long deep breath from the mouth, making a crow-like beak. Puff your cheek and hold the breath. Release your other fingers except thumb and exhale slowly with the nose. Last round. Hands in Shanmukhi Mudra. Inhale with the mouth. Puff your cheek. Tuck your chin to the chest. Hold the breath for as long as you can. Then release the bandha. Keep your ears closed and exhale with the nose. Release your hand. Now inhale deeply. Fill your chest and start rotating. Make a fist from the right hand and start rotating your right hand in clockwise direction for as long as you can hold your breath. Then keep your hands in front of you and exhale forcefully. Then again take a long deep breath in. Hold the breath and start rotating your hand in anti-clockwise direction. And keep your hands in front of you and exhale forcefully. Release the right hand. Now take your left hand. Inhale, fill your chest and start rotating. Hold your breath and start rotating your hand clockwise. Keep your hands in front of you. Exhale forcefully. Inhale and start rotating anti-clockwise your left hand. Hands in front of you. Exhale. Release the right hand. Now inhale. You start rotating your hand in clockwise, both the hands. Both the hands in front of you. Exhale. Again, inhale. Fill your chest. Hands. Rotate your hands in anti-clockwise direction. Hold your breath. Keep your hands in front of you. Exhale forcefully. Release your hand. Now fill your abdomen. Inhale. Keep your belly tight. इसको फुलाना है पेट को. And hold the breath. Again, exhale. Suck your belly in and hold the breath. Again, inhale. पेट को फुलाइए and hold the breath. Exhale fully. Exhale fully. Suck your belly in and hold the breath. Again, inhale. Suck your belly in. Out bus में and hold the breath. Exhale. Belly in. Tight कर लीजिए belly. Very good. अब ऊपर देखेंगे और नाक से भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम जैसा inhale and exhale forcefully and move your belly up and down like Kapalbhati and inhale and exhale like Bhastrika. Relax. Now अगली सारी क्रिया झुकेंगे. Exhale. पेट को इन करेंगे. Suck your belly in and then we will flap the belly. Okay? उस समय सांस लेना छोड़ना नहीं है. सांस रोक करके पेट को अंदर बाहर करना है. That is अग्निसार. पूरे सांस छोड़ के पेट को अंदर कीजिए and then flap your belly. Release. Inhale. One more round. थोड़ा सा बेंड होंगे. नी को थोड़ा सा बेंड करेंगे. एक्सेल. पेट को इन करेंगे. स्टार्ट फ्लैपिंग. Release. One more round. अग्निसार क्रिया. This is very good for our digestive problems. कोई भी digestive problem इससे ठीक हो सकती है and it is very good for your means abdominal जो भी बीमारियां होती है उसको ट्रीट करता है. डाइजेस्टिव प्रॉब्लम को दूर करता है. That's it. And start flapping. Release. It also activates the Swadhisthana chakra and make you more creative. Now here, keep your hands to the center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, 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 center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, lift. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, lift. Now, hold your hands in front of you and simply bend forward. Look forward. Inhale, come up. Again, exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Yes, very good. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come up. Now hold the hip stop. Right hand with the left hand. Right hand in Adi Mudra. Curl the thumb in, other fingers out, like this. Okay, and hold the wrist. Exhale, go down. Fully. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. 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 Inhale, back. Last time, exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Relax, come to the center. Now we will do here. Lift your hand up. Exhale, come to the position. Okay. Inhale, 1. Exhale. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, straight. Inhale. Exhale, try to touch your hand on the mat. Pura. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now lift your right leg up and start rotating your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clench your toes. Toes. Very good. Other leg. Start rotating your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clench your toes. Now come in front of the mat. Join your palm together. Do the Surya Namaskara. Om
Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Om Viravye Namaha. Exhale, bend forward. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, right leg back. Om Bhanave Namaha. Touch your toes. Come to downward dog. Om Khabaya Namaha. Inhale, plank. Om Poshane Namaha. Knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Inhale, Cobra. Om Madhyachaye Namaha. Exhale, downward dog. Om Adityaya Namaha. Right leg forward. Om Savitre Namaha. Left leg forward, Padhastasana. Om Arkaya Namaha. Inhale, lift your hand up. Hastakhalasana. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Drive your palms together. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, stretch up back. Om Raviye Namaha. Exhale, slowly bend forward slowly. Om Suryaya Namaha. Left leg back. Come to downward dog pose. Asusanchalanasana. Om Bhanave Namaha. Tuck your back to come to downward dog. Om Bhavaya Namaha. Come to plank. Om Poshne Namaha. Knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Lift your chest up. Om Marichaye Namaha. Now tuck your toes and come to downward dog. Om Adityaya Namaha. Left leg forward. Om Savitre Namaha. Right leg forward, Padhastasana. Om Arkaya Namaha. Inhale, bend back. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Join your palm together. One more round. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, bend back. Om Raviye Namaha. Exhale, bend forward. Om Suryaya Namaha. Right leg back. Look forward. Om Bhanave Namaha. Tuck your toes. Come to downward dog. Om Khavaya Namaha. Inhale, plank. Om Pushne Namaha. Knees, chest, and chin on the mat. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Inhale, Cobra. Om Marichaye Namaha. Tuck your toes. Come to downward dog. Om Adityaya Namaha. Right leg forward. Om Savitre Namaha. Left leg forward. Down, look down. Om Arkaya Namaha. Inhale slowly. Twist back. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Join your palm. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, stretch back. Om Ravi Namaha. Exhale, bend forward. Om Surya Namaha. Left leg back, look forward. Om Hanve Namaha. Tuck your toes. Come to downward dog. Om Bhagaya Namaha. Inhale, plank. Om Toshme Namaha. Knee, chest tension on the mat. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Inhale, Cobra. Om Marinchige Namaha. Tuck your toes. Come to downward dog. Om Adityaya Namaha. Left leg forward, look forward. Om Savitre Namaha. Left leg forward, bend forward. Om Artaya Namaha. Inhale, lift up, Hasuttanasana. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Join palm. Om. Sitting Madasana. And then come to Dandasana. Come to Dandasana. Back straight. See, if you are sitting like this, then come little forward. Walk. इसको थोड़ा सा हिप को उठा के पीठ को सीधी करके बैठ जाइए. Now fold the right leg. Hold your right leg. Toes in. ऐसे नहीं रखना है. Toes in. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale first, look forward. सामने देखना है. Then inhale, come up. Exhale, release your hand. Switch. Other leg. इसको इनर थाई पे, लेफ्ट फुट को इनर राइट लेग की इनर थाई पे रखना है. Inhale, stretch your arm up. Exhale, bend forward. Head down. Janu Shirshasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, lift your hand up. Exhale, hands down. ये Janu Sirsasana A. Now Janu Sirsasana B. You have to sit on the ankle. Okay? Janu Sirsasana B. Inhale, stretch your arms out. Exhale, bend forward. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, release your hand. Switch the legs. Janu Sirsasana B. Sit on the ankle. Inhale, stretch your arm up. Exhale, bend from lower back. Look forward if you can, otherwise you can keep your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, release your hand. Now Janu Sirsasana C. अगर डिफिकल्ट लगे तो आप ऐसे भी नॉर्मली भी रख सकते हैं. You have to tuck your toe, bring your ankle up like this. Try कीजिए. Now inhale, stretch your arm up. Exhale, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale. Lift your hand up. Exhale, hands down. Change the leg. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, hands down. Now परिवृत्त जानु शीर्षासना. इससे थोड़ा ज्यादा स्प्रेड करेंगे. पहले ये ऐसे था ना, इसको थोड़ा और स्प्रेड करेंगे. ठीक है. अब जो हाथ ये if it is left leg, just hold the toe and try to you can just do like this. Okay. परिवृत्त जानु शीर्षासना. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to the center. Switch. Open your leg more wide. Twist करना है साइड से and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Touch the soles of the feet and Baddha Konasana. Very good. Keep flapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. जोर जोर से flap करना है. You can close your eyes and think like you are a butterfly and you are flying over a flower. You have found a very beautiful flower and you are very happy and you are clapping more fast. आपको बहुत सुंदर सा फूल दिखा और fast clap कर रहे हो. You are very happy to see that flower. Come on, keep clapping fast, 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 fast. And then bend forward. Go to that flower and drink the juice of that flower. Bend forward. 1. Keep breathing. Take long, deep breaths here. Follow. Open your eyes and lie down on your belly. Head on the mat. Neck straight. Leg straight. Inhale, lift your chest up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to child and relax. Again, come to Makarasana and keep your buttocks. Now put your hands inside or on the under the thigh. Lift your right leg up. Ardha Shalvasana. Hold for 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale deeply here. release. Now lift your left leg up. Inhale and exhale here. Exhale. Again, inhale, lift your right leg up. 3 breaths. Down, lift your left leg up. 3 breaths. Release. Again, lift your right leg up. Release. Lift your left leg up. Release. If you can, now you can lift your both the legs up. Release. Now come to the side. Come to the side. Keep your leg hip width apart and start making circle. Small circle. You can keep your hand like this. Tighten your core. Tighten your पेट टाइट रहेगा and upper body को move नहीं करना है. अगर ऐसे नहीं कर पा रहे then you can keep your hand down. 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. Very slow movement. Very slow. पेट को टाइट रख के करना है. Release. Now switch the side. Switch the side. Keep your belly tight. Keep the leg hip width apart. Do not touch. थोड़ा सा ऊपर रहेगा. Gap रहेगा. Then you have to slowly tighten your belly. पेट को टाइट करके धीरे धीरे पॉइंट को लेग पॉइंटेड रहेगा. आराम से लूज नहीं रहेगा. लेग एक्सटेंडेड. Pointed. And then start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाइए. जो चक्रासन कर सकते हैं वो चक्रासन करेंगे. Otherwise, what you can do is just hold the ankle or hold your waist and lift your hip. हिप को उठा के पेट को टाइट रखना है. ओके, पेट को टाइट रखना है. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hip down, hip down, hip down. ओके, अब नई चीज ट्राई करेंगे ब्रेथ के साथ. ओके, इनहेल, लिफ्ट अप, exhale, exhale, and hold your breath as long as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक्सहेल ही रखेंगे, सांस नहीं लेंगे, पीठ को नीचे करेंगे. Now you can see your belly is completely in. This is Uddiyana Bandh. And hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, relax. Last round. Okay. Again, inhale पर सांस लेना है. पेट ऊपर, पेट को टाइट रखते हुए. एक्सहेल, होल्ड द ब्रेथ. पूरा एक्सहेल कर दीजिए. पेट को टाइट रखते हुए फिर धीरे धीरे नीचे आएंगे. And hold the breath as long as you can. See, this is Uddiyana Bandh, automatic Uddiyana Bandh. देखिए आपका रिब केज ऊपर हो गया होगा. रिलैक्स. भास्कर जी, पहले जो है पेट को मतलब सांस बाहर छोड़ के तब पेट को नीचे करना है. कमर
ओके
को
ओके
नीचे करना है. देन इट विल बी उडियान बंद. आपका जो है पेट अपने आप अंदर चला जाएगा, चेस्ट ऊपर आ जाएगा.
ओके
ओके.
ओके
Now you can place both the hands side to side. Keep a gap between the legs and just do it right and left. When you're doing it right, look towards your left. When you're taking it right, look towards your right. अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में देखना है, बैक को पूरा स्ट्रेच करना है साइड टू साइड. मरकटासन. Good. Now take your leg to the tabletop. Lift your neck up and do the bicycling. The right elbow, left knee. And I straighten the other leg. See, opposite. ये 10 times करना है. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax on your back. Lie down in Shavasana. Relax completely. Relax your right leg. Complete right hand. Complete left hand. Complete left leg. Complete back. Complete front side of the body. Complete face. Inhale. Exhale. As I count from 10 to 1, you will come to the no mind state. Focus on your breath. Focus on the nostril with which you are breathing. If you are breathing from the left nostril, focus on the left. If you are breathing from the right nostril, focus on the right nostril. If you are breathing from both, then focus on the tip of the nose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now focus on your perineum region where the Mooladhara chakra is located. The lower part of the body, the base of your body, the base of your life. Visualize red color chakra there, rotating in the clockwise direction. I will chant, you chant mentally, or you can chant together too. Lam. 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 Now move your awareness 4 inches below the level. The Swadhisthana chakra is located
4 inches below the navel. Focus on that part. Try to breathe in and breathe out from that part of the body. Try to balance it by rotating this orange colored chakra in the clockwise direction. Feel that there is an orange colored ball there. नारंगी रंग का एक बॉल है आपके नाभि के 4 इंच नीचे एंड वो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में घड़ी की दिशा में घूम रहा है. Balance this chakra when we are very active in our life. जब हम अपनी लाइफ में बहुत एक्टिव होते हैं then this chakra is very active. It may be balanced or imbalanced. So try to balance it by rotating in clockwise direction. Vam. 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 Your Swadhisthana chakra is balanced. Now move to your navel. Manipur chakra. There is a fire ball there, yellow color fireball. The Agni, this is the element present in the Manipur chakra, the fire, the yellow color, the sun. The digestive fire is there, digesting our food, taking the nutrients. Whenever we hear any news, we get something in our stomach. So this chakra is the first one which gets affected with the outside world. Try to balance this chakra. Rotate that yellow colored ball in the clockwise direction. With the mantra Ram, inhale. Ram. 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 Now move your awareness to the chest center at the middle of the chest. The heart center where the God is residing. The Anahata chakra, the Om sound is coming from there, which is unheard. That's why it is called Anahata. That's the unstruck sound. The mantra for this green colored chakra is Yam. Feel that a green colored ball is rotating in the clockwise direction. Feel so much love and gratitude in you. This is the positive effect of this chakra. When the chakra is balanced, you feel so much love for you. You feel that you are being loved by the nature, by everyone. Inhale. Yum. 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 Slowly move your awareness little out to the throat region, the Vishuddhi chakra. We communicate with the outside world with this Vishuddhi chakra, with our throat, with our words. So this is the means of communication, a connection between the outside world to the inside world. Focus on the throat center, the blue colored ball
Sky blue color ball is there in the throat region, rotating in the clockwise direction. The mantra is hum. Inhale, hum. Hum. Single chakra is balanced. Now move your awareness at the eyebrow center. The strong indigo color is there at the eyebrow center. With the mantra Om or Sham. We will chant Om. Imagine an indigo color ball is rotating at the eyebrow center. Om. 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 Now the purple color ball at the crown center. There is no negative emotion of this chakra. This is pure bliss, pure happiness. If you can feel that chakra, you are always happy. Just focus on the crown center, crown of your head. The mantra is long Om. Let us chant long Om Para, focusing on the crown center. Inhale. Om. Om. Make any positive resolution 3 times. Anything you want to change in your life. In present tense, that you have fulfilled that, you are fulfilling that, you are living your dream. You have to feel like that. जैसे कि आप जी रहे हो उस ड्रीम को, उस तरह से आपको फील करना है. एंड रिपीट उसको 3 टाइम्स, अपने रेजोल्यूशन को रिपीट करना है. Now move your fingers, move your toes slowly. Moving towards your right with the support of your left hand. Slowly come up, come to the sitting posture, keeping your eyes closed. Chant after me. Join your palm together. Swasti prajabhya परिपालयन्ता न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Hari Om. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Slowly rub your palms. Release. Tap your eyes, looking through the gaps of the fingers. Open your eyes, the beautiful smile on your face.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You are saying something, Divya? Diya?
I just thank you for the
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Have a great day.